Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Just like Vlogtober, I am doing a DIY photo shoot. I kind of wanted to give catalog, very like professional, very put together. Currently like 8 o'clock. I went to work today and I was supposed to start this stuff a long time ago, but I didn't. So tonight I need to wash and braid my hair down for my wig. I need to wrap my presents and I need to curl my wig. I'm probably gonna be up for a while. I wanna wake up at like 7:30, probably 7:45, 8 o'clock. I wanna take my time. Like I do not want this to take all day. Let me go ahead and start. I'm doing entirely too much talking. So when I'm not filming wig content, this is my normal setup for when I curl my wigs, like if I'm just doing it not to post it anywhere. So I just set my wig stand to the lowest setting. I sit down, I have my ring light set up, and I have my cart right beside me. So I really like this cart from Amazon because I can put my hot tools on top of it and it's metal, so I won't melt anything. So I started at about 9:50. Fun fact, it takes me exactly 1 hour to curl a wig every single time. Don't know why, but it works. So my wig is done. It took me exactly 1 hour. I looked at my footage and I started at like 8:50, 8:55, and it is currently 9:54. So it always takes me exactly 1 hour to pin curl a wig. It is 10:45. I'm just gonna moisturize, unwind, do my hair. So I started doing my hair around 10:55, and at this point I am tired. I am ready to go to bed, but I had to press on because I had things to do the next day. So I just washed and blow dried my hair, and I had to do a little trimmy trim because I do only wash my hair about once a month because I wear wigs and protective styles. And I just put in some cornrows. I'm not gonna call them dookie braids because I actually try when I braid my hair. It's 12 o'clock in the morning, so I'm gonna get up at about 7:30, maybe like 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock. I will see y'all tomorrow. So I said that I was gonna wake up at 7:30, but it's 10:22. What I'm gonna do is wrap my presents. Here are my presents. So I'm just gonna wrap up some empty boxes. I ordered these from USPS, so these are free shipping materials, so I decided to take advantage of that. Military kits come with 6 different boxes, and so I ordered 2 of them so I can have 12, obviously. So I'm gonna wrap these up like presents, and here is my wrapping paper. So my dresses are green, so obviously I didn't want to have green wrapping paper because I wanted to have some variety. Some of these from the dollar store, and I got these 2 from Michael's because they were on sale. So Michael's wrapping paper compared to the Dollar Tree wrapping paper, it looks a hot mess, but I mean, in my opinion, people might think it looks the same, but this is me, y'all. I be wanting my stuff to look pristine and clean and professional, but it's just wrapping paper. I'm doing too much. So I have my boxes taken out and laid out and taped up. Now I'm gonna wrap them and we will see what they look like when I'm done. So at this point, all of my boxes are put together, and now I'm about to wrap them up. So I haven't wrapped any gifts in so long. So this was kind of like trial number 1, just to see what my presents would look like. So here's what my first present looks like. The wrapping paper is so darn cute, but my only problem is this damn tape. Like, I only have painter's tape. Like, this is my dad's painter's tape, and so like it's so tacky. This is how I got my presents to look like really put together without tape. This looks damn good. I have my Mod Podge on the box first. With the regular way, I press it down as if I were wrapping just a regular present. Put it on these little flaps. I'm not being super duper, like, I'm not trying to be like super duper neat with this because nobody's gonna see it. I put the flaps down. I put the Mod Podge on the wrapping paper right here. And I fold it over, and then you have like this perfect looking present. My setup is gonna be kind of large. I'm gonna set up all my lights, my background stand, in my entryway. So this is pretty big. I might move like this one chair right here, but I'm gonna set all my stuff up right here. So here is what the entryway is looking like. It is prepped and primed for me to do my thing. So I had to sweep the floor a little bit because there was a freaking insect trap over here, and I don't want my clean white background to be on this dirty floor. My presents are over there, and here's my white background. I think I might like scrunch it a little bit, so like I'm gonna create some more texture in there. I put it in the dryer and it doesn't look that bad. I'm not getting as close, like my camera's not gonna be as close to the background as my last photo shoot, so I think that I'm gonna be able to get away with the little wrinkles that are in there. So we have finally gotten to the setup. I've been working on this all day. So I got my LED light set up. I have been so ecstatic, so excited to use my new LED lights, and they're already doing their job. So you see I got all this set up. I might have to put this on the bottom because this blue tape is very embarrassing. So we're now to the shooting part, and y'all already know that whenever I set things up, it's not always gonna be like what I go for. So I'm just playing with the lights. I have Lens Buddy up. Y'all know I use Lens Buddy to take my pictures, and you can see that I'm just kind of experimenting with different poses. I look really stupid from the outside looking in, but you can clearly see the outcome was bomb. So in an Instagram carousel, you can choose up to 10 pictures. So these are the 10 pictures that I went with. And when it comes to editing, I just wanted it to be more of an improved version of what they already were. I actually honestly didn't have to edit them. They were okay how they were, but I have gotten in the habit of kind of like touching up my pictures, even if it's just a little bit, because a little bit of editing goes a long way. So this is how my pictures turned out. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.